Are you looking for a YouTube branding watermark maker? To encourage your audience to subscribe to your channel, you can add a personalized subscribe button at the bottom right of your videos. When you add a watermark, viewers can directly subscribe to your channel if they hover over the watermark when using YouTube on a computer. In this video, I will show you how to create this branding watermark for free for your channel and how to add it on every single video to get more subscribers. For the best advice in oral communication as well as in video strategy, make sure to subscribe and hit the bell to be notified each time I post a new video. To get started, please note that branding watermarks are not available on videos set as made for kids. If you previously added a branding watermark but your video is now set as made for kids, viewers won't see the watermark. Also, this custom subscribe button is available in landscape mode on mobile devices and computers, but for the moment they are not clickable on mobile. For this subscribe button, you have two options. Find a subscribe button that is already done on Google, for example, or create your own button like me. By the way, I am Lili, your French video coach, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, click on the subscribe button now, please. First, how to create a custom subscribe button. To create a free one, I recommend using Canva.com. If you don't know yet Canva is a graphic design platform that allows users to create social media graphics, presentations, posters, and other visual content. Before sharing my screen, you need to know that the image for a YouTube branding watermark must be square with a minimum of 150 per 150 pixels and less than 1 megabyte in size. YouTube recommends that you use a transparent background rather than a solid one and include just one color in the image. This style of background can be less distracting and intrusive, especially on small screens. Let's go to canva.com. Canva.com, and let's create a design. Custom dimensions 150 per 150 pixels. I'm gonna create two different images. The first one, I'm gonna go in Elements, YouTube. I'm gonna choose just one regular YouTube logo, which is a free one. I'm gonna add some text. I'm gonna write subscribe. And change the color. If you want to use this image with a transparent background, so we won't see the white part, then it's possible when you click on download and then transparent background. But transparent background is an option that you can have only if you have the paid version of Canva. So yes, I can do it, but maybe you cannot. If you don't have the paid version, then we can create another one, another option. I'm going to add a new page and then go to Elements and choose this one. This one is gonna be big. Okay. And I'm gonna add also some text. Add a subheading, same thing, subscribe. And I can change also the color. I'm gonna choose white. And you have a new subscribe button and you don't need the transparency. So I'm gonna download page 2. And we are going on my channel now. I'm going now to show you how to add your branding watermark to your videos. Let's go to YouTube Studio. From the left menu, let's click on Settings. Select Channel, Branding, and then choose Image. So let's choose the image that we made. Now I have different possibilities. You can select the display time for the branding watermark. End of video. End of video, the branding mark will show for the last 15 seconds of the video. Then you have custom start time. The branding watermark will begin showing at the time you choose, or you have entire video and the branding watermark will show throughout the entire video. I am going to choose entire video. And then you just have to click on Save. All you have to do now is to create it with a YouTube branding watermark maker as Canva and set it up on your channel. You can also grab your free video checklist where I'll teach you how to create professional videos from home in only 10 steps. The link is in the description. If you like this video, please comment, like, subscribe, that is super helpful. Au revoir.